Yes. This is our first conversation. So, ma'am, will you please introduce yourself?
Yes, ma'am. My name is Pinky. I am from Haryana. I have done my post graduation from Kurukshetra University. After that, I have done my DLED from Haryana Board of School Education. And there are 5 members in my family: my mother-in-law, father-in-law, and my husband, and my daughters, and I. And I want to become a teacher. And as well as I am learning the language nowadays. That's all about me.
Thank you, ma'am, for giving your introduction. Let me introduce myself also.
Yes,
I am Saraswati, and I live in Mumbai. I have done my BA BA degree, and my hobbies are learning new things, and along with that, I also like to cook. Yes, that's all about me.
very nice, ma'am.
Uh, shall we start our conversation now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Have you any topic for conversation, or we just um, talk general things?
So today our first meeting. So I think we can
Okay.
discuss
Yes,
normal.
yes. Okay. So, how is the weather there?
Today it is a rainy day.
Yes.
Yes.
A lot of rains are there, or little bit.
No. Uh, Little bit, ma'am.
Little bit.
But at this time, stop. It
Yes,
is
yes. In Mumbai, still there is no rain. Little bit cloudy, but no rain.
okay.
So, how is your study going on?
My study is good, good, and nowadays, today, I start my preparing for competitive exam. Today start.
Yes, yes. Uh,
Yes.
can I ask you how many papers are there for competitive exams?
Yeah, I think 8 or 10. And
8 to 10 papers.
yes, and I have cleared my 2 time Haryana police.
Oh, that's great. That's great.
Yeah,
You are a
yeah,
hard working lady.
yeah, ma'am. And I cleared my H-TET, Haryana TET, Punjab TET, and Center TET. I also cleared.
Yes,
But
yes, carry
nowadays
on.
I'm learning this language.
What you do to learn this language?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, I'm listening. I do listen, listening, and I practice speaking more and more.
Yes,
Sometime in front of mirror, sometime with my husband, my daughter, and yeah. And nowadays I downloaded app, Highbrow app, and sometime I talk with stranger person.
yes.
Yes, yes, ma'am. And I'm reading now. I read.
Have you studied from Hindi medium school or Haryana or other vernacular medium?
No, ma'am. I have done my Hindi. I'm from Hindi medium, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Then, yeah, have you knowledge of tenses and all things, parts of speech?
Yeah, I know, ma'am. Yeah,
Because
I
we are from Hindi medium school, correct?
yes,
So, we should have knowledge of tenses and
yeah,
parts of speech, that
yeah.
as a noun, pronoun, and what is verb, what is adjective, where we use conjunction and preposition. Correct?
Yeah, ma'am. I know. I know. Yeah. I know. I thought grammar is very important.
Yes. As we are
Yes,
Hindi medium, grammar is must. Without
must.
grammar, how I can make sentences?
Yeah, we cannot make sentences, and we cannot proper way. We cannot speak proper way. I think grammar is, yeah, some topic like modal, stance, some topic
Yes,
knowledge is very important, I think.
yes, yes, very true.
When I start my journey, so that time, when I started my journey, that time I learn many topic of grammar.
Yes. Like what?
Like first I started tense
Yes. Yes. True. Yes.
and
That is
uh,
important.
yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
Would you like to ask something to me also?
What are you doing today, ma'am?
As today is Saturday, so I will have to go outside for some
Okay,
work. Yes.
okay,
Actually, today is parents' meeting in my daughter's school, but because of some reason they postponed.
okay. How many member in your family, ma'am?
There are 5 members: husband, me, my daughter, and my in-laws.
That's great.
Yes,
I mean to say you are live in joint family like me.
yes, you can say that. Yes,
Okay, that's
and
great.
you have also a daughter.
Yes, ma'am. I have a daughter. She's a 7 years old. She read in second class.
Yes,
Reads in
She
second.
studies in second class. Yes, that's good.
Class. Yeah, yeah. Because yeah, I have faced some problem when I speak. But
No, no,
yeah,
don't
I think
hesitate, don't fear, don't hesitate. You are very good in your English, and you are very, comfortable to speak this language. That is enough in starting. Yes, gradually you will improve day by day.
yeah, ma'am. I feel I am improving day by day.
Yes,
But sometimes I stuck. That time I feel. But that time I feel. I think it is difficult. But
no,
that
no,
time.
it's not difficult. Yes, because
Uh,
this is a language.
yes.
Whenever we will not practice, we will
Yeah.
not able to speak in front of anyone.
Yeah. Yeah, ma'am.
As your language in Haryani, and my language in Hindi. So whenever I will not learn your language, then I am not able to speak.
Yeah. Yeah.
In the same way, English is the same way. English is also a language, nothing more than that.
Yeah, I think nowadays English is very important. Without English, when we go to outside, that time I think without English we feel illiterate.
Yes,
I, I think I have many degree and diplomas, but it doesn't matter. I think.
yes. Whenever you have no knowledge of English, whenever you are not speaking English, people take you just, they don't give value to you.
Yeah, yeah. And what should I do or not improving my English, ma'am? Please tell me.
Uh, As ma'am, I studied in my college time, and after that, I have not read any book, any type of book. Yes, whatever I read, I read in English only. I don't prefer Hindi in Hindi. Suppose I am searching something on Google, how to cook this food and that time I use only watch things in English only.
Yes,
In
ma'am.
this way, I get new words. Suppose sometimes I am not familiar with that word, and that time I I just search for that word, and I am familiar with that word on that time. So in this
Yes.
way, if you learn this language, it will be remembered for a long time. You will not forget. And suppose you are just learning words and their meaning, you will forget. But if you make sentences and the word you learn, suppose you learn 2 words daily, you should apply when you communicate with people. You should try to um, apply these words in your sentences.
Yeah.
In this
We
way,
have
if
to
you will learn,
make sentences. Yes, ma'am.
yes, then you will be able every day new words in your vocabs.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And second thing, you are teach. Suppose you are teaching your daughter.
Yeah.
She is in second standard, and when you go through her books, when you will go through her books, there are so many small sentences, and there are so many words you will be not familiar with that word, and that time you just see the Hindi meaning, and along with that you also watch the English meaning of that particular word. In this
Ye-
way, you will be able to learn and to speak this language.
Yes, ma'am. You are right.
Because yes, practice is very important. Without practice, we can't speak this. But
Yeah.
along with practice, we will also work on our vocabs and our grammar portion also.
Yeah. Yeah. Yes, you are right. Great, ma'am.
Yes, otherwise you will speak, but it will take more time to speak correct English.
Yes, ma'am. And it will take time. Yeah, but and
Yes,
I have started my journey. I have been started my journey for 1 month ago.
then you are very good. You are very good in English. Don't hesitate. Don't hesitate. Don't fear. You are very comfortable to speak in front of anyone.
When I talked the first time with stranger, that time I felt hesitation. But
Yes,
nowadays I am comfortable.
yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Definitely, you will get more comfortable day by day.
Yes, ma'am. Mm.
And can I ask you what is your favorite food?
Yeah, my favorite food is vegetable of paneer.
Paneer vegetable. Yes,
I mean, Sahi paneer.
yes, yes. And what
Yes.
is the famous food in Haryana?
Yes, ma'am. There is a famous food of बाजरे की रोटी और सरसों का साग.
Oh, that's great.
Yes, so Haryana is called दूध दही का खाना.
Yes, because Haryani people are very strong.
Yes, yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
they also look very good, and they are very strong.
I live in village, ma'am, and and there is no any type of pollution, and there is a fresh water, fresh air, and fresh vegetable. I think everything is all right in Haryana. I like Haryana.
Yes, yes, definitely, definitely, yes.
Yes, yes,
Because
ma'am.
nowadays fresh air, and getting fresh water is
It is
difficult
difficult to
in
get.
Mumbai. City like Mumbai, it's difficult. Yes,
Yeah, yeah, and I think there are so many crowded in Mumbai.
yes, Mumbai is very crowded city. Yes,
Yeah, crowded city. Yes, ma'am. Yes, I know.
here also water air is not good. The water we get is also not so pure like village.
Yes, and sometime I think we cannot see the sunlight
Yes, yes, yes.
uh,
Yes.
because
Have
high.
you ever visited Mumbai?
No, ma'am.
Uh,
Uh, and yeah, and I went to Delhi
yes, yes.
many times. I think 4 or 5 times. But uh, uh, I didn't Mumbai. If you feel any mistake, so you can tell me. I don't mind, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Yes, definitely. I will tell you. Suppose
Yeah.
you are saying that my daughter reads. Not you should say that my daughter studies.
Yes.
Read is when
Yeah.
we
I know.
are reading the book.
Yeah. 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 I know, ma'am.
Yes,
I understand.
yes.
Yeah.
In
I
this
try
way,
to
we improve.
speak right. I try to speak correct sentence, but when I speak that time, I forget some.
No, you will. You are able to speak. I am also learning this language. I'm not so much
Yeah, I'm
familiar with.
smart.
Yes, I also done mistakes. Many times I does mistakes, and I realize after speaking. When I speak, and after that I realize, no, this sentence should be like that. Yes.
Okay. Did you come in Haryana anytime?
No, I have never been there. Never have been there. Yes, few people are from Haryana.
Okay.
Last year, one child comes to my home for tuition. Yes,
Okay.
he belongs to Haryana, and he every time tells about that, ma'am. This is about Haryana means their farming and their cows, and it's these
Yeah.
types of things he was telling.
I have many buffaloes and cow.
Yes, because of these, you people are very, uh, you have a lot of strength,
Yes. Healthy, yes, ma'am.
healthy also, and you have a your brain is also very sharp. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
because you
Yes.
get fresh milk, fresh ghee,
Yes.
and
Everything.
yes,
Yes.
yes.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
This is the reason many, many sports person from Haryana.
Yes,
There
yes,
are so
yes,
many
yes.
sports person here are from Haryana. They belong to Haryana. Yes,
Like Neeraj Chopra.
yes,
Neeraj Chopra, player of javelin throw.
yes,
Sakshi Malik, Vinesh Fogart, and uh, Rani Rampal. There are many
yes.
players in Haryana.
There
So
are so many players are
Haryana is,
from Haryana. Yes,
yes, ma'am, and Haryana number one in playing.
yes. Haryana is number one in
Yes,
playing. Yes.
yes, ma'am.
I just want to ask you. You are preparing for a Kendriya Vidyalaya interview.
Yes, ma'am.
So, is there any interview? Is there also no? After written exam, there will be also interview.
Yes, ma'am. Written exam is not declared, not result out. But yeah, I think I feel 25 uh, August. After 25 August, I think it declared. It will declare.
Okay, you have already given your written exam.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And means
Yes.
you have to only prepare for you are only preparing for your interview.
Yes, ma'am. Nowadays, I am preparing for my KVS interview, ma'am. I completely focus. I totally focus on my interview
Okay,
now.
that's
Yes, ma'am.
great.
Because I want to become a teacher.
Yes, yes,
I like
definitely
teaching.
you are a so hard working lady, and
Yes, ma'am.
so definitely you will succeed in your that field. Yes, you will
I think,
succeed.
yes, ma'am. Hard work is the key of success. Without hard work, we can do anything.
Yes.
So,
Shall
and
we wind up our session? You want to talk more?
I think it's over, and we will again meet
Connect.
very
Yes.
soon.
Whenever you want to talk with me, just let me inform, and after that we will talk.
Yeah, yesterday I visited your channel and subscribe your channel. And
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank
okay,
you.
thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you for coming. It's nice the communication with you. Thank you.
Yes,
Bye.
ma'am.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Nice to meet you, ma'am. Bye.